About WordHero on AppSumo. WordHero is an advanced AI-powered writing assistant available as a lifetime deal on AppSumo. It is designed to help content creators, marketers, and business owners save time and effort when producing written material. With over 80+ writing tools, a long-form editor, and an AI chat interface, WordHero is capable of generating a wide variety of content formats. These include blog articles, product descriptions, marketing copy, social media captions, creative stories, email sequences, and much more. Essentially, it's a complete AI toolkit for anyone who needs content on a daily basis. The platform is powered by GPT technology, which means it learns from vast amounts of data and produces natural, human-like text. Users can choose from different templates depending on what they need. For example, if someone needs a Facebook ad, they can select the ad template. If they want to write a professional email, they can use the email template. This makes it extremely versatile for digital creators. About the YouTube script generator. At the moment, WordHero does not have a dedicated YouTube script generator. Many users have asked the team about this feature, and the company has confirmed that it is indeed on their future roadmap. This means that in the coming updates, we might see a feature that directly creates structured YouTube scripts, including intros, body sections, and outros. However, as of now, it hasn't been officially released. While there isn't a ready-made YouTube script button, WordHero is still very powerful when it comes to helping you prepare a video script. By combining existing tools such as the blog post generator, hook/intro generator, listicle tool, and social media captions, you can essentially piece together a professional script for YouTube. How you can use WordHero for YouTube videos right now. Even without a dedicated script generator, WordHero can still be a great tool for video creators. Here's how you can use it step by step. Generate hook/intro ideas. Start your video with an engaging hook to capture your audience. WordHero can generate powerful opening lines or questions that grab attention. Create the main talking points. Use the long-form editor or blog article tool to expand on your topic. For example, if your video is about 5 ways to grow on YouTube, you can ask WordHero to generate a blog outline, then convert that into a video-friendly structure. Write supporting explanations. With tools like the paragraph expander, you can add depth to your video by making each section richer with details, examples, or storytelling. Generate closing statements or call to action. Every YouTube video needs a strong outro. WordHero can help you draft a conclusion that encourages viewers to like, comment, and subscribe, or even directs them to a product or website. Create descriptions and tags. Besides scripts, WordHero can also generate YouTube video descriptions, SEO-friendly titles, and even keyword-based tags that help your video rank better. In summary, WordHero is an all-in-one AI writing tool currently available on AppSumo with a lifetime deal. It does not yet have a built-in YouTube script generator, but the feature is confirmed to be on the roadmap. In the meantime, you can still create professional YouTube scripts using existing templates such as blog posts, hooks, captions, and outlines. It's also useful for generating descriptions, video titles, and promotional text to support your content strategy. WordHero is especially valuable for YouTubers who want to save time, boost creativity, and maintain consistency in their content.